Welcome to my channel. If you pass this test, your general knowledge is amazing. 20 questions. Each question has 10 sec. If you need more time, you can pause the video. Let's get started. Good luck. Which city is known as the City of Canals? Which planet has the shortest day in the solar system? Who discovered the circulation of blood? What is the capital of Pakistan? Which element is a liquid at room temperature? In which year did the Titanic sink? Who painted The Birth of Venus? Which country has the most volcanoes? What is the official language of Egypt? Which planet has the largest moon in the solar system? Who wrote Crime and Punishment? Which metal is used in aircraft manufacturing due to its lightweight? What is the capital of Kenya? Which organ in the human body stores bile? Which country is called the Emerald Isle? What is the chemical formula for table salt? Who was the first female Prime Minister of the UK? Which river is the longest in South America? Which type of rock is formed from cooled lava? What is the capital of New Zealand? Which famous scientist introduced the laws of motion? Which art style is Salvador Dali associated with? Thanks for watching us on GK Alpha. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you in the next